We are strong in the belief that it's the whole team that makes us strong and not just an individual.
We take pride in our work, the people on the floor, whether they're new or they've been a long time.
We're still a small company, but yet we operate like a big company that is a small company. We run very lean first, so there's not a lot of extra people walking around out on our floor. The people that are here because they're needed.
As a company, we do care about the people who work here because it's important, and if they enjoy and want to come to work, you know, they're willing to do anything that is necessary to take care of the customers.
We tend to cater to the customers, I think, a little bit more. I think if a company's too big, you can't do that. And we tend to go out of our way sometimes to do just that if we can.
To have a company that is standing behind their employees, that has done well in developing an atmosphere that is, for the most part, low stress in a very stressful world. And we have put together a recipe of people that work well together.
I like my job. I like what I do. I've always told them, they want to get rid of me, they're going to have to push me out the door and lock it behind me.